Previously on designing my dream home, we looked at the gym, kitchen, bath, sauna, and the laundry room. Now today we're going to be looking at the art room slash my office. Along with art, I love architecture and interior designing, but I'm not trained in any of these fields. I always want to know what my house would look like in the future, so I choose to do this as a fun hobby to look for designs I like, and I'm going to do it with you guys. You can follow along. Just note, my focus is never on material things but my soul. I'm going to type in art room, or should I say art studio. Alright, art room. Alright, so what they're doing now is showing me a classroom, so I should put studio, art studio. Okay, alright, requirements for my art studio. I want a lot of things, alright? I want a lot of things, but I'm gonna try to narrow it down as best as possible. Number one, I want a sunroom. If you look here on this part here, you can see like there's an outside part. I don't know if it's a sunroom, but I want a sunroom. I want the roof to have this V shape also. If it's flat, that's fine, but I think I prefer the V shape, so I can have this light coming in. Should I put studio? Alright, I'm gonna put art studio with sun room. Oh, it's one word. Okay, fine. Alright, this is cool. I like this, but I want to have it where I can close it off or on a separate part of the art room, like a little veranda or balcony or porch. Yes. So the light can come in. Wow, this is cute. This is AI AI image. So this is cute though, guys. This is cute. So yes, I want a sunroom. This is also nice. You see that, guys, coming in. So this would be like an extra part on my art room there. So save image. See what else is underneath that. Alright, so I want two big tables that I can work on, and I also need a little what you call it now, because I do the videos for you guys. I want a little section for videoing, and I want a little section for praying, and I want a little section for just sitting down and writing. Alright, let's see this one. You see how this table is? I want it longer. I want it bigger. Let's type in art decks. These are cute. I need one of these, probably at a larger scale. I'm not sure. I'm gonna show you it, but I'm gonna save it as a new tab. This is how my table is kind of looking now, but more messed up. Oh god. Yes, I need an L-shaped table like this, but this part here would be for look at this one, guys. You see how the paintbrush is so neat, and it's readily available for when the artist wants to paint.
Oh, look at this cutie pie here.
Yes, my friend, we back on street again. So definitely this would be the main inspiration for the videoing and stuff that I would do for you. So this would be the main inspiration, guys. So we got one down. Now, in terms of closet space, that is going to be unique. Let me show you something now. You see how this is open and stuff like that? I want that, yes, but that for when I'm working. But for the closet space, would you call that a closet? Not a closet, a cupboard space. I want cupboards in my art room, guys. You definitely need storage areas in your art room. But for the kitchen, as I mentioned, I don't want any cupboards at the top. But art room, should I say art studio, but these are also nice too. All right, let's see, let's look at it before we change it. No, let me look at it. All right, look at this. I want my cupboards to close off. I want it so that the doors can push open, wide open. I want it so that it can push wide open and close neatly up again. Why this thing keep up now? Alright, let's see something, guys. Alright, look at this. I think this is the what do you call it? They call it dream box. This is the dream box. And I want my cupboards to set up like the dream box or have a dream box separately. I'm not sure as yet, but I'm going to save that image. So let's type in art studio studio cupboard. Alright, good. So I need drawers also. Yes, definitely. Well labeled. Opening top. I want big, large cupboards to just take over one wall. I need storage space like this for my cartridge paper and paints and paintings, and storage areas like this. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This one is cute. So I need a little sitting area. Alright, look at this, guys. You see how this nice and neat and clean? Yes, I want my cupboards to close up like that. So now that we have an understanding of the whole, you see how this lock up? Yes, I don't want to see. You see, if I don't want to work or see my art supplies, I see my art supplies on some days, it's going to be closed up. But the thing about it is I want like a sliding door situation to just open up everything wide one time and done. Alright, so it's not going to be like a two-door situation. No, it's gonna be a one-door something. Alright, look at this decks. You see how this decks long and big and pretty, something like that I want in my art room. I need like drawers underneath that decks also for quick access. Yes, my friend, this is coming through can fast. Not sure if I'm going to want anything like this. Copy image. Alright, so we have the cupboards down, we have the table down, sunroom, we already have the sunroom down. Now, what else do I need in my art room? A wash sink. Yes, one here I just passed a while ago. I need like a sink area to wash my brushes. This is nice, and then you have that space there where you can lay out the brushes and stuff. That's nice. Wood and wood, no. I will prefer the stainless steel thing that I showed you in the kitchen video. I think I would prefer that one for the art room, definitely, because no sorry Bob. Wood, nope. Alright, yeah, so I would need like a little sitting area now for just thinking and stuff like that. Art studio office to just sit down and talk, you know, and understand what am I going to do and be comfortable at the same time. So I want to have like a built-in seat at the window. Should I type in built-in seat at the window? Alright, let's say for example this as a reference. Alright, so you see that couch there, it would be like a built-in situation there. So she have a little office space, one little sit down area, a little sit down area, recording area, drawing area. Built-in sofa. I don't know what to type it. Art studio with built-in sofa at the window. Something like this, guys. Something like this. So you get the picture, guys. I want that in there somewhere, somehow, or something like this one, somewhere, somehow. Open image and new tab, somewhere, somehow, guys. This is nice too. This one is nice. Because look there, look like you have a little unrest. Probably these can remove and you can put a papaya juice there. Can have a little sliding table, just slide over if anything. Yes. I like a little small gallery to display my art, to get inspiration. So that part there will only be for my artwork, my finished pieces. Alright, for personal buyers or private buyers can come and look at my work, or students, anybody. So it's gonna be separate and apart from a part of the studio, but it's going to be like through another door, something of that sort. You get me? Yeah, so I need a little gallery section. Now, along with that, I cannot leave out my prayer room area, because the presence of God is always welcome
in the atmosphere.
Alright, so alright, something like this, but dedicated to Jesus Christ. Opening tab, but probably smaller though. Probably smaller. Prayer area, prayer room. Let's type in prayer room, small. I should have put small prayer room. Alright, like a little area, like nothing too fancy. It's gonna have little things in the prayer room, something like this. This one is perfect, guys. Look at this. You see, small and neat and cute, and they have, I don't know what is this, but I will have things in there dedicated to God, like my Bible. What else? Probably my own little olive oil and stuff like that. Yeah. Alright, so we have everything, guys, for the art room. And remember, guys, I'm going to get a bit more detail in terms of specifics of what I would want in my prayer room, specifics in terms of details and stuff, and why I would choose the brush to lay like that, or the paints to lay like that, or the plates to be like that, or the gym to be like that, etc, etc. So I'm gonna get in detail. You just have to stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. Alright, so I think I have everything, right? I also would want like a photographic area. So that's a little photographic area there. Let's look at what we have so far. Still going to go through a bit more and kind of be more specific on what I want, but let us go through so far. Alright, so this is the gallery area, inspirations. This is my little prayer area, like a prayer room. This is my little photography station. This is a sunroom, just an inspiration for the sunroom here. A little table like this that can be raised or can move anywhere I want, probably outside on my veranda. Just move around in the art room, alright? This would be like my little videoing section for artwork fly. A little L-shaped table or a U-shaped table would be good. This one would also be good also to move around in the art studio. So this is the example of what I'm talking about in terms of videoing station somewhere here, something like this. the neatness. I like how they set up everything so neat and so clean and easy access. I would like that for my area also. This is also an inspiration of how I can set up things in the art room and make it easy and readily accessible. Labels will be good. 2 inspirations, yes. Proper storage for the art pieces. So I definitely would have to think about the different art pieces I might have and design accordingly. So this is another good one for storage. This is not another good one for storage. This is an excellent one for storage, but except my cupboards would be right around the room with one big sliding door to open and close everything. But when I'm ready to pray or to just think, I'm just going to close that off. You understand me? Hope you understand me. Alright, so this one here is another inspiration of how I want the cupboards to be closed off. This one here is a nice example of how I want my art table to be very, very big. Alright. See, there's another angle of the table and it has storage areas. Not sure if I would want a table like this. Probably a small one can fit probably 4 persons around about it, something like that. I would want a stainless steel sink instead of a wood. I would like this to be like that though, a good size to wash things and put it on. This is an example of how I want my seating to be next to the window, to just see outside and to paint and to think and to drink some coffee. This is another one here. This is another one. So yes guys, I'm gonna go off a line, try and find something more specific and come back. Alright guys, so this is what I found so far. So this is a stainless steel sink. This is the sofa inspiration. This is basically showing the neatness of how they organize the art room, but I want like one big sliding door to cover all that when I'm ready. This is an example of the sunroom. This is an excellent example of how I want my cupboard doors to look clean, neat and sleek and covered. This is an example of how I want the studio, the Artwork Fly YouTube channel studio area to look with the table. This is an example of what do you call it now? The setup. That's a good one too. This is another example of the cupboard doors being closed like that. The gallery area, the neatness, and also the photography area. I would also want other little areas in there, but you would have to stay tuned and watch the final detailing of everything. So this is my inspiration for right now for the art room. So guys, thank you very much for watching. So we'll be going upstairs next week. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.